At Phocas, we want to help you get a grip on your data. Busy companies that make, move or sell lots of products often have sales, finance, purchasing and inventory information spread across ERP systems, databases, spreadsheets and reports. All this data is disjointed. It's often static and held by just a few experts. Phocas is a company-wide analytics solution. It pulls all the relevant data from your existing systems and presents it in a way that's easy to understand and action. In Phocas, you're not tied into fixed reports that sooner or later you'll want to customise. Phocas is completely flexible. Anyone in the team can build useful dashboards and reports that show the headlines, or drill down into your data to get to the root of a problem, find the answer, or uncover a new opportunity. Eliminate the guesswork. Get quick and easy access to reliable data. Share and act on one version of the truth. Phocas outshines competitors on product and customer satisfaction in independent reviews and surveys. We're also quietly proud of our 98% customer retention rate. Watch the quick demo or contact us to find out more. We know you've got data. Now it's time to get results.